Hello, I am Ian Hewitson, and I'm working on my cable tester project for Music 112. I forget the number, but for this project I'm going to build a cable tester to test this wonderful TS cable. To do so, I will use an LED, a resistor, a 9-volt battery, and all of these wires, alligator clips laying on the table. To do this, since my 9-volt battery is more powerful than a straight up LED can handle, I needed to select a resistor that will resist the current, therefore, so that the LED doesn't burn out. To do that, I used Ohm's law and the following numbers, which you can't read, but we have V equals IR, and V is the voltage, which is a 9-volt battery, I is the current, which is 0.02, and R is the resistance, which is 80 from the LED. And when you do this problem using simple algebra, you get 370. 370 is the number, this lowest number you can use so that the LED might not burn out. Since it's exactly the number, it actually might burn it out. So I picked one that was slightly larger. I waded through this pile of resistors already and selected an LED that works, and I'll prove that to you if you wish through my cable testing process. And I found an resistor. I found a resistor with an orange, white, red, gold color band scheme. And according to this wonderful chart, that would be orange is 3, orange white is 9, so that's 39, and brown, oh, it's a brown, it's a brown color band. Brown, so I add 1 0, so I have 390 ohms of resistance, which is 20 more, which should be perfectly fine. So now what I'm going to do is, I kind of have a little drawing, a schematic of what I'm going to do. If you can see this, I've got my 9-volt battery and the positive end connected to the tip of the cable. And it's going to run through the other tip and into the sleeve, and through the other end of the sleeve to the resistor, following the path to the anode, which is the longer leg of the LED, the positive end, out the cathode, which is the shorter negative end, and back to ground. So I'm going to go ahead and try and set the camera in a spot where you can see me do this. And yeah. Let's see if you can see that. Good. Alright. Here we go. So we've got a alligator clip, positive end of this battery thing, kind of a neat invention, and connect it to a tip of said TS cable. Now I'll take one, come to the other end, the tip, and it back into the sleeve, and out the other end of the sleeve. And it slips off, of course, it always happens like that. And take the resistor, put it in front of the LED in the circuit, take the other end, bam. Now this is the positive, so the longer leg, which is, looks like this one, and there's, yep, to attach it, bam. And take this last cable here, attach it there. And wonderful. We've got light. I don't know where that it's lighting up, and now it's not, and now it is. So that means that the positive charge is coming out of the positive end through the tip of the cable, out the other tip, through the sleeve, out the other sleeve, through the resistor, and into the anode, out the cathode, back to the 9-volt battery. And that is, I think, it. So that was my cable tester project.